Hello friends, now we will start the application of simultaneous equation. Application of simultaneous equation हा टॉपिक आपण चालू करणार आहोत. बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेमध्ये 25% जो अभ्यास कमी केलेला आहे त्यावर आधारित हे माझं तिसरं लेक्चर आहे. निश्चितच या लेक्चरचा देखील तुम्हाला फायदा होईल. यामध्ये मी सर्व सोडवलेली उदाहरणं आणि प्रॅक्टिस सेट मधली सर्व एक्झाम्पल्स 6 एक्झाम्पल्स घेतलेत 1.5 मधली. चला तर सुरू करूया. First activity बघणार आहोत. There are some instruction given below. Frame the equations from the information and write them in the blanks boxes shown by the arrows. Activity दिलेली यामध्ये बघूया एक एक. See this here. I am Sarthak. My present age is X year. I am Sakshi. My present age is Y years. Now see this. 4 years ago, Sakshi's age was 3 years less than Sarthak's age at that time. We know that the Sarthak age is the present is X. 4 years ago, X minus 4. But what says Sakshi? Sakshi says that 4 years ago, her age was, means again her age 4 years ago means y minus 4. 4 वर्षापूर्वी साक्षीचं वय किती असणार तर y वजा 4. पण तेव्हा त्या सार्थकच्या वयापेक्षा अजून देखील 3 वर्षांनी लहान means what? x minus 4 minus 3. Okay. Next. Sarthak age is less by 8 than double the एज ऑफ साक्षी. म्हणजे सार्थकचं वय हे साक्षीच्या वयाच्या दुपटीपेक्षा 8 ने कमी मीन्स व्हॉट एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू 2y मायनस 8. या प्रकारे आपल्याला इक्वेशन तयार करता आली पाहिजे. इन दिस वे वी कॅन फ्रेम द इक्वेशन बाय द गिवन कंडिशन. नाउ नेक्स्ट. द सम ऑफ प्रेझेंट एजेस ऑफ सार्थक अँड साक्षी इज 25. अतिशय सोपं आहे. दोघांच्या आजच्या वयांची बेरीज x अधिक y बरोबर 25x प्लस y इज इक्वल्स टू 25 and this is very simple activity. Now next. Example number 1. The perimeter of a rectangle is 40 centimeter. The length of a rectangle is more than double its breadth by 2. Find the length and the breadth. Now the solution. Let the length of rectangle be x centimeter and breadth be y centimeter. From the first condition, that is we have given the perimeter, that is a 2 in bracket x plus y is equals to 40 and therefore x plus y is equals to 20. दोन्ही बाजूला 2 ने आपण डिवाइड करणार and then here you will get x plus y is equals to 20. This is equation number 1. And from the second condition, x is equals to 2y plus 2. What is that? The length of rectangle is more than double its breadth by 2. त्याच्या breadth पेक्षा 2 times पेक्षा 2 ने जास्त आहे. And therefore x is equals to 2y plus 2. And we can write it like this. X minus 2y is equals to 2. And this is equation number 2. हे equation number 2 आहे. आणि दोन्ही इक्वेशन अतिशय सिंपल आहे. इथे आपण बघू शकतो की this is the length. X is length and this y is the breadth. And what we have given, the perimeter, that is a 2 in bracket x plus y is equals to 40. Now the next. Let's solve the equation 1 and 2 by determinant method. X plus y is equals to 20, x minus 2y is equals to 2. But determinant method मध्ये a1, a2, b1, b2. First of all, a1, a2 च्या किमती किती असणार आहे 1, 1. b1, b2 च्या 1 आणि minus 2 means a1, b1, a2, b2 and solve this. 1 into minus 2, minus 1 into 1 and here you will get minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. Now the dx. आता dx find out करताना हे 1, 1 is replaced by 2 and 20. Again 2 into minus 20 and minus 1 into 2. Minus 40, minus 2, minus 42. x dy 1 1 as it is आणि y च्या कोएफिशियंटच्या रिप्लेस करणार आपण c1 c2. c1 is 20, c2 is 2 and multiplication 1 into 2 minus 20 into 1, 2 minus 20 minus 18. Okay, now x is equals to dx upon dy is equals to dy upon d, and therefore the value of dx is minus 42 upon minus 3 and y is minus 18 upon minus 3 and simple. If we divide it, minus minus the division plus असतं, पुन्हा minus minus the division plus, and 42 ला 3 ने divide केल्यानंतर 14 and 18 ला 3 ने divide केल्यानंतर 6. And here the length of rectangle is 14 centimeter and the breadth is 6 centimeter. And next, now see this again activity, that is a sell only for 2 days. Very interesting. 2 दिवसाचा सेल आहे आणि यामध्ये घड्याळ दाखवलेत बघा. I have some analog wristwatches and some digital wristwatches. I am going to sell them at a discount. Digital means what? त्याच्यामध्ये डायरेक्ट नंबर्स आपल्याला दिसतात आणि अॅनालॉग म्हणजे त्याच्यात काटे असतात. ओके, आता बघूया. I am going to sell them at a discount. मग बघूया आता काय डिस्काउंट आहे. Sale of the first day analog watch 11 and the digital watch is 6. किती अमाउंट त्याला मिळाले? 4330. हा फर्स्ट डेचा सेल आहे. What about the second day? Sale of the second day analog watch is 22 and the digital watch is 5 and amount received is rupees 7330. आणि यावरून आपल्याला आता हे इक्वेशन सॉल्व करायचं. ओके, नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट. Find the selling price of wristwatch of each type. प्रत्येक टाइपचं सेलिंग प्राइस आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. Now let us start. The solution: let the selling price of each analog watch be x, rupees x, and selling price of each digital watch is y. From the first condition, काय पण पहिली कंडिशन म्हणजे पहिला दिवस काय होता आपल्याला? सेल ऑफ द फर्स्ट डे अॅनालॉग वॉच 11 गेले आणि डिजिटल वॉच 6. किती अमाउंट मिळाली? 4330. आणि आपण इथे अॅनालॉग वॉच साठी किती त्याची किंमत x मानलेली आहे आणि डिजिटल y मानलेली आहे. आणि फ्रॉम दिस कंडिशन यू विल गेट 11x plus 6y is equals to 4330. and this is equation number 1. And from the second condition, आता दुसरा दिवस आपल्याला बघायला पाहिजे. Sale of the second day, that is the analog watch is 22 and the digital watch is 5 and the receipt amount is 7330. आता बघूया इथे, that is a 22x plus 5y is equals to 7330 and this is the equation number 2. Now we'll solve this, that is a multiply equation number 1 by 2. एकला आपण 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय करणार म्हणजेच x चे कोएफिशियंट्स कसे मिळतील आपल्याला? सेम मिळतील. and here you are getting 22x plus 12y 4330 into 2, that is 8660. This is the equation number 3. Now the next, now see this equation number 3 and 2. Here subtract equation 3 from 2. आता आपण equation 3 2 लिहिणार पहिल्यांदा आणि नंतर इक्वेशन 3 घेणार. आता मायनस करणार, साइन चेंज करणार त्याची. minus 22x plus 22x will get cancel. आता plus 5y minus 12y you will get minus 7y and 7330 minus 8660 and here you are getting 1330 and therefore here y is equals to minus, that is a minus divided by minus and here you will get, that is y is equals to 190. म्हणजेच 1330 ला जर आपण 7 ने डिवाइड केला then you will get 190. y is equals to, now substitute this value of y in equation 1. Okay, and this is the equation number 1. Substitute the value of y which is 190 and therefore 11x plus 1140 is equals to 4330 and if we solve this then here you will get 11x is equals to आणि पुन्हा ते सबट्रॅक्शन पण करणार आपण 4330 minus 1140, and here you are getting 11x is equals to 3190, and therefore x is equals to, आता पुन्हा 11 ने जर आपण 3190 ला डिवाइड केलं, then here you will get to 90. Okay, and therefore the selling price of each analog watch is rupees 290 and the digital watch is rupees 190. And therefore here is the answer again. The selling price of each analog watch is rupees 290 and each digital watch is 190. Okay, now the next is series example. Example फार important आहे, बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेमध्ये बऱ्याचदा विचारले जातं. A boat travel with 60 km upstream and 24 km downstream. Upstream म्हणजे काय की तो प्रवाहाच्या विरुद्ध दिशेने and downstream म्हणजे प्रवाहाच्या दिशेने. Okay, and here the same boat travel 36 km upstream and 48 km downstream in 13 hours. Okay, find the speed of water current and the speed of boat in still water. Okay, one by one the solution. Let the speed of the boat in still water be x km/h and the speed of the water current be y km/h. Now the speed of boat in the downstream means प्रवाहाच्या दिशेने जाणार ते x plus y ऍड होणार, त्या बोटीचा वेग आणि पाण्याचा वेग दोन्ही ऍड होतील त्यामध्ये km/h, and that in the upstream म्हणजे प्रवाहाच्या विरुद्ध दिशेने. Okay, that is a x minus y km/h. Okay, now the distance is equals to speed into time. हा formula आहे, that is a speed is equals to distance upon time. Here we take the distance is equals to speed into time. The time taken, आपल्याला इथे वेळ दिलेला आहे म्हणून संपूर्ण याच्यात आपण टाइम कन्सिडर करणार. The time taken by the boat to travel 60 km upstream. Upstream जाणार ती, therefore 16 upon x minus y, distance upon speed. Then here you will get the time. First time आपल्याला मिळाला, and it takes 24 upon x plus y hours to travel 24 km downstream. Okay, therefore from the first condition, a boat travels 16 km upstream and 24 km downstream in 6 hours. आणि म्हणजेच दोन्ही वेळांची बेरीज किती येणार तर 6 hours. Okay, therefore 16 upon x minus y plus 24 upon x plus y is equals to 6, and this is equation number 1. Now from the second condition, what is the second condition? The same boat traveled 36 km upstream and 48 km downstream in 13 hours. Okay, therefore 36 upon x minus y plus 48 upon x plus y is equals to 13, and this is equation number 2. या टाइपचा बोर्डला प्रश्न विचारला गेलेला आहे. And now here we will solve the replacing 1 upon x minus y is n and 1 upon x plus y is n. Then we get here the equation number 1. बघा आपल्याला कसं तयार होणार आहे. 16m plus 24n is equals to 6, and the equation number 2 बघा इथे 36m plus 48n is equals to 13. This is the fourth equation. Okay, now multiply the equation 3 by 2 we get here. आता बघा इथे इक्वेशन नंबर 3 आणि 4 आपल्याला मिळाले. आता 3 ला आपल्याला 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचे. नाउ हियर इफ यू मल्टिप्लाय बाय 2 देन याला जर 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय केला 32m 48n and 12, that's equals to 12. Now the equation 4th minus 5th. Okay, हे 5th झाले. Now equation आपण इथे 4th लिहिणार इथे 36m plus 48n is equals to 13. Next equation, 5th equation, 32m plus 48n is equals to 12. Subtraction करणार 48n will get cancelled. Sign change करणार इथे प्लस आहे, इथे मला साइन चेंज करायचं, मी इथे आपण चेंज करूया इथे. ओके, इथे आपण मायनस करणार, इथे मायनस आणि इथे देखील मायनस. And here Okay. Now 36m minus 32m, you will get 4m, and 13 minus 12, you will get 1. Therefore m is equals to, हा multiplied आहे 4 या m ला, इकडे आल्यावर तो डिवाइड होणार. Therefore m is equals to 1 by 4. Now the next is, put m is equals to 1 by 4 in equation number 3. This is the equation number 3. m ची व्हॅल्यू जर 1 by 4 टाकली, 16 into 1 by 4 plus 24n is equals to 6. आणि 4 ने या 16 ला डिवाइड केलं तर 4 एक 4, 4 चौक 16. That is 4 plus 24n is equals to 6, and therefore 24n is equals to 6 minus 4, that is equals to 2, and therefore 24n is equals to 2, and therefore n is equals to 2 upon 24 means what? 2 ने आपण त्याला डिवाइड करणार, and here you will get 1 upon n is equals to 1 upon 12. Okay, now replacing m n by their original values, we get that m is equals to 1 by 4 is equals to 1 upon x minus y, n is equals to 1 upon 12 is equals to 1 upon x plus y. बरोबर. आता आपण यांचे रेसिप्रोकल्स करणार. इफ यू टेक द रेसिप्रोकल, याचा व्यस्त करणार, याचा व्यस्त करणार, x minus y, and 1 upon 4 चा रेसिप्रोकल 4. दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 6. तसं याच्या बाबतीत देखील याचा देखील रेसिप्रोकल करणार, 12 येणार, 1 upon x plus y चा रेसिप्रोकल, x plus y is equals to 12. Now we will solve this equation 6 and 7. काय करणार त्यामध्ये? आपण ते सिम्पली ऍड करणार. बघा इकडे आपण जर ऍड केले, plus y minus y will get cancelled, 2x is equals to 16, and therefore x is equals to 8. And put this value of x is equals to 8 in equation x plus y is equals to 12. And if we substitute x is equals to 8, 8 plus y is equals to 12. मग y is equals to काय? हा 8 12 कडे जाणार, तो मायनस होणार, y is equals to 12 minus 8, and that is a 4. y is 4. And here the solving the equation, that is a 5th and 6th, you are getting x is equals to 8 and y is equals to 4. Okay. And therefore, the speed of the boat in the still water is 8 km per hour, and the speed of the current is 4 km per hour. प्रवाहाचा, पाण्याचा प्रवाहाचा वेग कमी आहे, तो 4 किलोमीटर, आणि पण तो बोटचा वेग कसा असतो, तो जास्त असणार आहे. ओके. Now the example number 4. Certain amount is equally distributed among certain number of the student. Okay. And each would get ₹2 less if 10 students were more. Okay. जर विद्यार्थी जास्त असतील तर प्रत्येकाला कमी पैसे मिळतील. And each would get ₹6 more if the 15 students were less. त्या दिवशी जर वर्गामध्ये 15 विद्यार्थी कमी असतील तर प्रत्येकाला जास्त पैसे मिळतील. And find the number of the student and the amount distributed. Okay. Now the solution, let the number of the student be x and the amount given to each student be y. Then what is the total amount? Total amount distributed is clearly, that is the x into y. Okay. From the first condition we get here, that is a, if the 10 student was more, and we are taking the number of the student is x, x plus 10 in second bracket, प्रत्येकाला ₹2 कमी मिळतील, y minus 2. परंतु अमाउंट मध्ये बदल होईल का? नाही. वर्गात जाताना मी समजा ₹400 नेले असतील तर 400च असतील ते. जर विद्यार्थी जास्त असतील तर x plus 10, मग प्रत्येकाला y minus 2 मिळतील. And this is a simple equation. ये x ने y ला मल्टिप्लाइड केलं, x ने 2 ला minus 2x, x ने पुन्हा 10 ने y ला 10y, and here 10 ने minus 2 la, you will get minus 20. That's equals to xy. Now here xy will get cancelled, and here minus 2x plus 10y is equals to 20. Now we'll simplify this. या इक्वेशनला आपण 2 ने जर डिवाइड केला तर काय मिळेल आपल्याला? x plus 5y is equals to 10. This is equation number 1. Now the next is from the second condition. मग यावेळेस काय की वर्गात विद्यार्थी संख्या आता कमी आहे. Okay. Each would get 6 more if 15 student were less. Okay, x minus 15. प्रत्येकाला किती? ₹6 जास्त मिळतील, आणि अमाउंट कशी मात्र ती xy च असणार आहे. Now we'll solve this. x into y, x into 6, 6x, minus 15 into y, minus 15y, minus 15 into 6, minus 90, and that's equals to xy. पुन्हा दोन्ही बाजूला xy कट होतील. 6x minus 15y is equals to 90. आणि पुन्हा या इक्वेशनला आपण 3 ने डिवाइड करू शकतो. जेवढं लोएस्ट करता येईल तेवढं आपण लोएस्ट करू शकतो. 3 ने जर डिवाइड केलं आपण, then you will get 2x minus 5y and is equals to 30. This is equation number 2. Now the next is add these two equations 1 and 2. And here if we add these two equations, minus x plus 5y is equals to 10 and plus 2x minus 5y is equals to 30. If we add it, add करणार कारण की इथे plus 5y minus 5y will get cancelled and here you will get minus x and plus 2x म्हणजे x मिळेल आपल्याला आणि 10 plus 30 40. Okay, x ची value 40 मिळाली and put this value of x in equation 1. Minus 40 plus 5y is equals to 10 and here 5y is equals to हा minus 40 पलीकडे गेला मग तो plus होणार and therefore 10 plus 40 that is a 50. 5y is equals to 50 and therefore y is equals to 50 upon 5, therefore y is equals to 10 and therefore the total amount distributed is x into y, that is 40 into वर्गात किती विद्यार्थी तर 40 and y is 10 and total is of 400 and therefore the rupees 400 is distributed equally among the 40 students. Okay, now the next question number 5. A 3-digit number. हे example फार important आहे, बोर्डच्या परीक्षेला विचारले गेलेले आहे, मार्च 15 मध्ये विचारले गेले. A 3-digit number is equal to 17 times the sum of its digit. Okay, 3-digit number is equals to 17 times sum of its digit. If the digits are reversed, the new number is 198 more than the old number. Also, the sum of the extreme digit is less than the middle digit by unity and find the original number. म्हणून प्रत्येकदा वर्ड प्रॉब्लेम आल्यानंतर तो 2-3 वेळा तुम्ही वाचला पाहिजे आणि लास्ट is very important, find the original number. हा 3-digit number आहे. Okay, now let us start now. The solution, let the digit in the 100 place be x and the digit in the unit place be y. Now see this here, 100 place, 10th place and this is the unit place. This is 3-digit number, मग त्याला शतक स्थान असणार आहे, दशक असणार आहे, एकक स्थान असणार आहे. 100 place, 10 place and unit place. Now suppose that the 100 place digit is x, unit place digit is y and we have given the condition. What is that? Also the sum of the extreme digit is less than the middle by the unity. म्हणजे या एक्स्ट्रीम ची जर टोटल केली ती टोटल पुन्हा एकाने कमी म्हणजेच हा मिडल वाला हा एकाने जास्त, दोघांच्या टोटल पेक्षा एकाने जास्त. मीन्स वी हॅव रिटन x plus y plus 1. Okay, now see this here. The 3-digit number is, आपल्याला 3-digit number जर लिहायचा असेल तर 100 प्लस ला 100 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं, 10 प्लस ला जो नंबर असेल त्याला 10 ने मल्टिप्लाय, युनिट प्लस ला असेल तो 1 ने. Therefore this is the 3-digit number which is that 100x plus 10 in bracket x plus y plus 1 bracket complete plus y. हे डिजिट झाले 100 प्लस ला 100 ने, 10 प्लस ला 10 ने and then y. Okay, now the next, if we multiply, 100x होणार, 10x plus 10y plus 10 plus y. Simply multiplication केला आपण इथे. आता 100x plus 10x, you will get 110x. Next, 10y plus y, 11y and plus 10. And now see this here. The sum of the digit in the given number, sum of the digit. मग या सर्व अंकांची बेरीज. Means what? x plus y plus 1 plus y. Sum of the digit. मग x किती आहे? x plus x, that is a 2x. y किती आहे? y plus y, 2y. And the plus 1. This is the sum of the digit. What is the next condition? From the first condition, the given number is equals to 17 times sum of the digits. What is the given number? That is 110x plus 11y plus 10 is equals to 17 into sum of the digit. आपण आताच केलं मगाशी. 2x plus 2y plus 1. And if we simplify this, 110x plus 11y plus 10 is equals to, या 17 ने या सर्वांना मल्टिप्लाय करणार, 34x, then 34y and then 17 and again simplify. आता 110x मधनं या 34x गेले 76x, पुन्हा plus 11y, okay, and minus 34y, then you will get minus 23y. Next, 17 minus 10. That is, you will get 7. This is equation number 1. What about the second? The number is obtained by reversing the digit. Okay. आता बघा इथे 100 प्लसला x आहे, 10 प्लसला x प्लस y प्लस 1 आहे युनिट. आता रिव्हर्स करणार मीन्स व्हॉट? हा युनिट प्लेसचा डिजिट 100 ला येणार आणि 100 चा युनिट प्लेस जाणार. मिडल मात्र ऍज इट इज राहणार. नाव सी दिस हियर 100y बघा युनिट प्लेसचा डिजिट इथे 100 प्लेसला गेला. नंतर x हा युनिट प्लेसला म्हणजे तिथे x आला. मिडल जसाच तसा is a 10 plus is as it is 10 in bracket x plus y plus 1 plus x, and if you simplify this 110y आणि इथे पुन्हा 10y किती मिळेल तुम्हाला 110y. what about here 10x हा 10x आला plus x total 11x 10 into 1 here you are getting the 10, and if you add it then you will get here 110y 110y plus 11x plus 10. Okay, now the given number is, this is the given number if we reverse the digit. Okay, now from the second condition, the given number plus 198 is the new number. The given number आपल्याला माहिती आहे 110x plus 11y plus 10 plus 198, and the new number, this is the new number 110y 110y plus 11x plus 10. Now simplify this 110x आपण इकडे आणा डाव्या बाजूला 110x मधनं 11x केले, then you will get 99x. Next 11y minus 110y will get minus 99y. Next, what is here? Ha plus 10 on both sides will get cancelled, आणि हा पण हा 198 left hand side ला तो right hand side ला ना, it becomes minus. Now we'll divide the whole equation by 99 and you will get here x minus y. 198 upon 99, that is you are getting 2 x minus y is equals to minus 2, and therefore you can write here x is equals to y minus 2. This is equation number 2. Now substitute this value of x in equation 1. Equation 1 मध्ये टाकणार आणि काय होते equation number 76x minus 23y is equals to 7. This is equation number 1, and now substitute the value of x, that is a y minus 2. इथे आपण टाकले इथे x च्या जागी, and simplify this, then you will get 76y minus 152 minus 23y, and that's equals to 7. And if you simplify this, and here you will get 76y minus 23y 53y, and that's equals to minus 152 right ला आणणार 7 plus 152 you are getting 159. आता आपण इथे y is equals to करणार, that is here y is equals to 159 upon 53. 3 ने त्याला division जाणार, and therefore the y is equals to 3. But what is the y? Y is unit place. Okay, now we have the value of the y. Substitute this value in equation number 2. Okay, this is equation number 2. आपल्याला y मिळालेला आहे. Now substitute, that is a x is equals to y minus 2. And what is that? Y is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. And therefore 1 means what? X is 1, which is in the 100 place. And therefore we will get here the 100 place is 1, 10 place is 1 plus 3 and plus 1. Unit place is 3. And if you add it, then here you will get 1. Total is 5 and this is 3. That is 153. And therefore the digit in the 10 place is 5. Okay, and the number is 153. Okay, this is an important question. Now we'll start the practice set 1.5. Now see this here. This is again very interesting. The two numbers differs by 3. Sum of twice the smaller number and the thrice the greater number is 19. Find the numbers. Very simple question. पहिली कंडिशन बघा, the two numbers differ by 3. Let the greater number be x. प्रत्येकदा आपण मोठा नंबर आधी x मानूया, smaller number be y. And from the first condition, it's very simple. X minus y is equals to 3. And what about the thrice the greater number? Okay, 3x. Twice the smaller number is 2y. And what is from the second condition? That is a 3x plus 2y is equals to 19. Now multiply the equation number 1 by 2. आपण y चं निरसन करणार, y निगलेक्ट करणार आहोत आणि y चं मल्टिप्लाइड इथे 2 ने जर मल्टिप्लाइड केलं then you are getting 2x minus 2y, 2 into 3, that is a 6. Okay. Now add this equation 2 and 3, this equation number 2 and 3. If we add it, then here you are getting, adding the equation 2 and 3, see this here, 3x plus 2y, that's the 19. And next equation is that 2x minus 2y is equals to 6, plus 2y minus 2y get cancelled, 5x is equals to 25, and here x is equals to, that is a 25 upon 5, that's x is equals to 5. And now substitute the value of x is equals to 5. X value टाकणार आपण in equation number 1. Very simple equation. And therefore x minus y is equals to 3. Substitute x 5 minus y is equals to 3. And therefore minus y. हा 5 आपण right ला जाऊ देणार, तो minus होणार. Minus y is equals to 3 minus 5. And here you will get minus y is equals to minus 2. And here y is equals to 2, and therefore the required numbers are 5 and 2. Now the next is complete the following. Complete the following. I am rectangle. Now see this here. It's also very interesting. That is a 2x plus y plus 8. This is the length of the rectangle. And what about the breadth? That is a, here is a 2y, and opposite side is also x plus 4. Okay, and this is the length 4x minus y. These are the opposite sides, and these are the opposite sides. That is a 2y is equals to x plus 4. 2x plus y plus 8 is equals to 4x minus y. Now see this here. What is a find the value of x and y. तो आपल्याला x and y च्या value find out करायला सांगतोय. Okay. Now the next is what is say again. Find my perimeter and a rectangle. असं कोण म्हणतंय तर हा rectangle. Okay. Now let us start here. Now the solution. The opposite sides of rectangle are equal and equal lengths. And now see this here. That is a 2x plus y plus 8 is equals to 4x minus y. And if we simplify here, that is a 4x आपण इथे डावी बाजूला आणणार to the left hand side, minus y पुन्हा left hand side ला आणणार. That is a 2x minus 4x plus y, and that's equals to 8 upon right hand side ला, it will become minus 8. Now 2x minus 4x, and here you will get minus 2x plus 2y is equals to minus 8. If we divide by 2, then here we will get minus x plus y minus 4, and this is equation number 1. Now what we have given, that is a x is equals to, here also we have, that is a x plus 4 is equals to 2y. या दोन opposite sides आपण consider करणार. We will consider these two opposite sides. That is a 2y is equals to x plus 4. And now simplify this. Therefore x minus 2y is equals to minus 4, and this is equation number 2. Now we'll solve this. These are two equations. Okay, and if we add these two equations, minus xa plus xa, if we add it, then you will get here minus x plus y is equals to minus 4, and x minus 2y is equals to minus 4. If we add it, then minus x plus x will get cancelled, plus y minus 2y will get cancelled. Here you will get minus y, minus 4, minus 8, and here y is equals to 8. Now the next is, again, we'll substitute the value y is equals to 8 in equation number 2. Equation number 2 मध्ये टाकणार ती. That is a x minus 2 into 8 minus 4. And here x minus 16 is equals to minus 4. And here x is equals to minus 4 plus 16. And here you will get x is equals to 12. X value आपल्याला 12 मिळाली. The length of rectangle is equals to 4x minus y. And here we will substitute the value of, that is a y, and the x, that is a 4 into 12 minus 8. 48 minus 8, and that's equals to 40. This is the length of the rectangle. The breadth of rectangle, that is equals to 2y. That is a 2 into 8. 2 into 8, and that's equals to 16. Okay. या इथे माझा फक्त हा rectangle असल्यामुळे तुम्हाला तो दिसत नाहीये. Therefore, the breadth of rectangle is 16, and the area of the rectangle, that is a L into B. Okay. That is equals to 40 into 16. And here the area of the rectangle is 640 square unit. and the perimeter of the rectangle, that is a 2 in bracket L plus B, that is a 2 in bracket 40 plus 16, and that is a 2 into 56, and therefore the perimeter of rectangle is 112 units, and therefore answer x is equals to 12, y is equals to 8. Area of the rectangle is 640 square unit, and its perimeter is 112 units. Now the next problem. The sum of father's age and twice the age of his son is 70. Okay. If the double the age of father, add it to the age of his son, the sum is 95. Find their present age. Okay. Let the father's present age be x year and the son's present age be y years. Now we'll see from the first condition. What is the first condition? That is the sum of the father's age and the twice the age of the son. Sonच्या एजचे twice करणार. X plus 2y is equals to 70. This is equation number 1. Double the age of the father. If we add to the age of the son, then you will get 95. Therefore, 2x plus y is equals to 95. Now, the multiplied the equation number 1 by 2. बरोबर. यामध्ये आपण x annihilation करणार, x निरसन करणार, and therefore here you will get 2x plus 4y is equals to 140. This is equation number 3. Now x plus 2y is equals to 70, 2x plus y is equals to 95, and 2x plus 4y is equals to 140. These are the equation. Subtracting the equation 2 from 3. Okay. Now here the first is equation number 3 and the equation number 2 is here. Subtraction करना, minus sign करना पड़ेगा. Plus 2x minus 2x will get cancelled. 4y minus y you will get 3y. 140 minus 95 45, and here y is equals to 15. Substituting y is equals to 15 in equation 1. Equation 1 मध्ये टाकणार ती value आपण. Therefore x plus 2 into 15, that's equals to 70. Therefore 2 into 15, 30. X plus 30 is equals to 70. Therefore x is equals to 70 minus 30 and x is equals to 40. And therefore the father's present age is 40 years and son's present age is 15 years. म्हणून प्रत्येकदा प्रॉब्लेम तुम्ही अतिशय बारकाईने वाचला पाहिजे आणि स्टेप बाय स्टेप त्या गिव्हन कंडिशन्स त्यापासून तुम्हाला इक्वेशन तयार करायला आलं पाहिजे. then you can solve it. Next, the denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both the numerator and the denominator are reduced by 6. Find the fraction. Okay. आपल्याला तो फ्रॅक्शन फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. कुठलाही फ्रॅक्शन घेतला त्याला न्यूमरेटर आणि डिनोमिनेटर असतं. लेट द न्यूमरेटर ऑफ द फ्रॅक्शन बी एक्स and its denominator is y. Twice the numerator means 2x. From the first condition, what is the first condition? That is here the first condition. The denominator of the fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. Denominator मोठा आहे. त्या न्यूमरेटरच्या 2 times पेक्षा अजून 4 ने जास्त आहे. That is y is equals to 2x plus 4, and if you simplify it, and here you will get that is a 2x plus 4 is equals to y. Again we can write here that is a 2x minus y is equals to minus 4, and this is equation number 1. What about the next? If the 6 is subtracted from the numerator and denominator, then what you are getting? Then the numerator will become x minus 6 and the denominator will become y minus 6. But what's happening now here? What is the condition? The denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both the numerator and the denominator are reduced by 6, and therefore the denominator, this is the denominator, and it becomes 12 times the numerator. What is the numerator? X minus 6. मग त्याला 12 ने मल्टिप्लाय करणार. And now simplify this. Y minus 6 is equals to 12 in bracket x minus 6, and हे simplify करणार आपण ते. And therefore here you will get 12x minus 72 is equals to y minus 6. पुन्हा आपण y हा डाव्या साइडला आणणार, minus 72 to the right hand side, and here you will get 12x minus y is equals to 66. This is equation number 2. And now we'll solve these two equations, see these equations, and subtracting subtracting the equation 1 from 2. Okay, see this here, that is a 12x minus y is equals to 66, and the equation number 1, that is a 2x minus y is equals to minus 4. Change the sign, and here you will get that is a 10x, that's equals to 70, and therefore x is equals to 70 upon 10x is equals to 7. And the next, substituting the x is equals to 7 in equation number 1, and 2x minus y is equals to minus 4. If we substitute x 7, that is a 14 minus y is equals to minus 4, and therefore minus y is equals to minus 4 minus 14, and therefore minus y is equals to minus 18, y is equals to 18, and therefore the numerator is 7, and the denominator, that's y is 18. And what about that fraction? That fraction is 7 upon 18. Okay, now the next, two types of the boxes A and B are to be the placed in truck having capacity of the 10 tons. When 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded in the truck, its weight 10 tons. But when 260 boxes of type A are loaded in the truck, it can still accommodate 40 boxes of the type B, so that it is fully loaded. Find the weight of each type of box. The last sentence is very important. Weight of each type. We have two types of the boxes, A and B. Now let us start the solution. Let the weight of a box of type A be x ton, and that of the box of type B is y ton. The weight of 150 boxes of type A, that is a 150 boxes of type A, that is a 150 x ton. And what about the next? 100 boxes of the type B, the weight of 100 boxes of type B, that is 100 y ton. And from the first condition, that is the 150x plus 100y, and that's equals to 10, which is the capacity. Now again I will start here. That is a 150x plus 100y is equals to 10. If you divide by 10, here you will get 15x plus 10y is equals to 1. Now the next is, but when the 260 boxes of type A are loaded in the truck, it can still accommodate 40 boxes of type B, so that it is fully loaded. Now see this here. Similarly, from the second condition, that is a 260x plus 40y is equals to 10. And if we again divide by 10, then you will get 26x plus 4y is equals to 1. Okay, and this is the equation number 1, 15x plus 10y is equals to 1. Now multiplying equation 1 by 2, equation 1 2 ne multiply and 2 by 5, then what's happening? Equation 1 by 2, and here you will get that is a 30x plus 20y, and 1 into 2, that is a 2. Next, equation 2 by 5, equation 2, this is equation number 2 by 5, and 26 into 5, 130x, 4 into 5, 20y, 1 into 5, 5. Okay, here 20y and 20y, that will get cancelled if we subtract it. Okay, subtracting the equation 3 from equation 4. Now see this here, it's the 3 and 4. 3 from 4, and first we write here the equation 4, and next 3. By mistake I had here, that is a sign must be here minus. Okay, here is a minus sign. Okay, you consider here the minus sign. The next is, now we will change the sign. Okay, 130x minus 30x, that is 100x, 5 minus 2, here you will get 3. Therefore x is equals to 3 upon 100. Now substitute x is equals to 3 upon 100 in equation 1, that is a 15x plus 10y is equals to 1. 15 into 3 upon 100 plus 10y is equals to 1. and 45 upon 100 plus 10y is equals to 1. 10y is equals to 1 minus 45 upon 100, and here you will get 10y is equals to, if you simplify 100 to 1 la multiply karna, 100 minus 45 upon 100, and here you will get 10y is equals to 55 upon 100, and that's why. Now divide the both sides by 10, and then here you will get, that is the 55 upon 1000. Therefore y is equals to 55 upon 1000 by dividing the both sides by 10. Okay, therefore the answer, that is here, the weight of a box of type A is 3 upon 100, and that of the next is, and the weight of the box of type B is 55 upon 100, sorry, 1000 ton. And there is again the answer. And if we divide it, then you will get, that is 0.005 ton. Note that 0.03 tons means what? 0.03 into 1000, that is a 30 kg, and 0.005 ton means what? 0.005 into 1000, that is equals to 55 kg. And now the last problem. Out of 1900 kilometer, we shall travel some distance by bus and some distance by aeroplane. Bus travels with average speed of 60 km per hour, and the average speed of aeroplane is 700 km per hour. It takes 5 hours to complete the journey. Okay, find the distance we shall travel by the bus. Okay, त्याने 1900 एवढा प्रवास केलेला आहे. त्यातला काही पार्ट त्याने विमानाने केलेला आहे, काही पार्ट बसने केलेला आहे, परंतु हे सर्व करण्यासाठी त्याला 5 hours लागले. We want to find out the distance traveled by the bus. Okay, now the one by one, the solution. Let the we shall travel x kilometer by bus and the y kilometer by the plane. Now the time is equals to distance upon speed. That is, the speed is equals to distance upon time, and from that we have this. The time taken by the Vishal while traveling by the bus is x upon 60. Okay, कारण की त्याचा बसचा स्पीड किती, 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर आहे, आणि the we shall travel x kilometer, and therefore बसला किती वेळ लागला असेल, that is x upon 60 hours. The time taken by the Vishal while traveling by the plane is x upon 700 hours. And from the given condition, what is that? The x plus y is equals to 1900. It's very simple. X plus y. Then x kilometer हे bus ने आणि y kilometer हे y. दोन्ही मिळून 1900. This is equation number 1. And x upon 60 plus y upon 700, that's equals to 5. Now here we will simplify here. Now 60 चे फॅक्टर्स करणार, 700 चे फॅक्टर्स, आणि त्यांचा एलसीएम इथे घेतलेला आहे. The common terms, that is here is a 2, uncommon is again here 2, and the next is 5 is here, uncommon 5 is here, next is a 7 and this 3. If you multiply it, then you will get, that is a 2100. This is the LCM. Now multiply the equation 2 by 2100, the LCM of 60 and 700. Equation number 2 la multiply karna, and if you multiply x upon 60 into 2100 plus y upon 700 into 2100, and that's equals to 5 into 2100. And if you simplify it, then here you will get 2100 upon 60, here you will get 35x, आणि पुन्हा 2100 plus 700 is a divide केलं, then here you will get 3, and their multiplication 5 into 2100, then here you will get 10,500. Now the multiply the equation 1 by 3. Okay, and if you multiply it, then here you will get 3x plus 3y is equals to 5,700, because we have x plus y is equals to 1900, and if you multiply it, then here you will get. Now the next is These are the equation number 3 and equation number 4. Okay, subtracting equation 4 from the equation 3. Okay, आता पुन्हा पहिल्यांदा 3 लिहिणार and next equation number 4 subtraction, and here you will get that is the 32x is equals to 4800 and x is equals to 4800 upon 32, and therefore x is equals to 150, and this is the answer. That is, we shall travel 150 km by bus, and in this way we have completed the practice set 1.5, that is all the word problem. Now we will see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.